Hi, my name's John Costello. I'm a senior confectioner at our PTC in York. What I'm going to do today is show you how to make a chocolate dessert using our confectionery brands. Let's get started. We're going to take a Nestlé chocolate. So we've got some hazelnut and some berries, Nestlé dessert cream, and then we're going to top it with one of the latest launches of KitKat. We're going to start by making a chocolate nest by taking your chosen chocolate, place it into the microwave for short bursts, 10-15 seconds at a time until it's fully melted. If you haven't got a microwave, you can place this over a pan really carefully of hot water and just slowly stir it in whilst it's over the hot water. What we're going to need for this next part to create this nest is a tray that's been in the freezer, because you want it super cold. Create a stripe of chocolate. See, this is what we call shocking the chocolate. Just going to drag that across. So we can lift the straw of chocolate up, come around and place it onto the plate. And then we'll move into now decorating and finishing it with a ganache. A ganache is a mixture of cream and chocolate. We pour the cream into the chocolate and then we stir the two together. And you'll see very quickly, it'll start to create a really beautiful, thick chocolate sauce. Just a small amount of ganache in the bottom of the nest, not too much. It's nice and rich and indulgent. And then we can decorate with our fruits and nuts. And then finished just at the back on the top, our amazing new launch of KitKat. Take the Milky Bar or a white chocolate, great. And that's our dessert finished. There's only one thing left to do to try. That nice crisp chocolate and fruit. Enjoy.